Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, are ants clean or dirty creatures? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants are clean as they keep removing dirt particles from their antenna, thorax and abdomen, using oily saliva, front legs and formic acid for better communication, increased lifespan and improved sensing of secretions. It helps prevent the risk of disease, but dirty insects are responsible for carrying diseases and food contamination. You can see ants rubbing their head with legs as it is a common sight indoors because these insects clean their bodies many times a day. It is one of their natural behaviors to remove the particles that are nothing but a burden on their tiny bodies that is not desirable for insects to carry without any purpose. Moreover, it is better for the tiny creatures to remain clean because their dirty bodies can cause damage to insects individually and even the whole colony sometimes. Many people consider ants as dirty insects due to their habitats as the insects keep crawling in contaminated places, resulting in the attachment of dirt particles to their bodies. However, they are generally clean insects because they do not keep their bodies dirty for long, as it affects their health and communication. They have glands in the abdominal region or hindgut that release pheromone trails for better coordination, but they cannot efficiently release and direct the signal with dirty bodies. The presence of dirt particles on the antenna can interfere with their ability to detect odors, so they have to keep the smelling organs clean. Moreover, this cleaning practice in insects helps avoid the risk of infection, as harmful bacteria and germs can accumulate over their bodies when they pass through contaminated surfaces. Accordingly, clean insects have a lower risk of infection, ultimately increasing their lifespan, as the contaminating or infectious agents can cause disease. They have to keep themselves free of debris to improve their navigation abilities, as their compound eyes, touch or smell receptors and stinging organs can hide behind dirt particles. These tiny insects do not feel comfortable with dirt particles on their bodies, as it feels like a burden to carry useless things or dirt on their bodies. Furthermore, they have to carry food particles on their back or within a mouth. So these dirt particles or germs can affect their weight carrying capabilities and contaminate food. Ants follow different ways to clean their bodies, including physical methods and chemical methods, involving the use of body parts and chemical secretions to clean themselves. The physical method involves using front legs or antennae to clean their dirty bodies and the removal of the dirt or debris attached to their exoskeleton or other body parts. Their front legs have hairy claws that can help remove the coarse particles of dirt when they bring their legs closer to their head or rub the dirty regions of their bodies. It allows the removal of bigger particles followed by fine dirt particles using their adhesive feet. In addition, the chemical method involves the use of oily saliva in their mouth. These insects secrete oily saliva from their mouth to disinfect their bodies against fungal spores and bacterial contaminants. It helps wipe out the bodies of infected and wounded members. Their behavior of disinfecting the wounds of injured nestmates helps increase lifespan of injured insect because it reduces the risk of infection within the wounds. Furthermore, formic acid is a toxic material produced by the abdominal glands or poison glands, but it also works like a disinfecting substance. It can help disinfect the insects involved in grooming, as the nursing ants can also get infected when they apply saliva on their bodies to avoid the risk of infection. They can accumulate debris or harmful microbes while navigating their territories. They can also carry these contaminating agents to the food trays when they enter the kitchen and climb the countertop to access the food. Some of these insects harbor fungi by providing a suitable medium for growth and transferring the fungi spores to human body. They can transfer bacterial pathogens to food like Salmonella, Shigella and E. coli, which are usually responsible for foodborne diseases in humans. In addition, these insects can also get sick when they remain dirty, so they clean themselves to remain healthy and keep harmful microbes away from them. They can also carry parasites because these insects serve as host organisms for the parasitic nematodes and die. Thanks for watching the video.